Welcome viewers. In this video I am going to solve question number 6 from exercise 7.2. If you feel this video is helpful for you, then like, share and subscribe the channel. Let us start today's class. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equals to AC. Side BA is produced to D such that AD equals to AB. Show that angle BCD is a right angle. Figure of this question has been given in the textbook. Let us study the question carefully and slowly once again. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equals to AC, that is this side equals to this side given, and BA is produced to D. BA is produced to D such that AD equals to AB. We have to show that angle BCD means this angle is a right angle, means 90 degree. Proof. In triangle ABC, AB equals to AC given. So we can write angle ABC equal to angle ACB. This is because we know angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Here given that in triangle ABC, this side means AB equals to this side means AC, and the angle opposite to side AB is this angle, and angle opposite to the side AC is this angle. That is, angle ABC equals to angle ACB. In place of angle ABC, we also can write DBC, because angle ABC and DBC are same angles. So angle DBC equal to angle ACB. I mark this relation as 1. Now in triangle ACD, we have AC equals to AD, as because it is given that AB equals to AC, this side equals to this side. It is also given that BA is produced in such a way that AB equals to AD. So AD equals to AB, which is also given. So from these two relations, that is AB equals to AC and AD equals to AB, we can say AC equals to AD. Therefore, angle ACD equals to angle ADC, means this angle. The reason behind this is same as above, that is, angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal, and angle ADC equals to angle BDC. So in place of ADC we can write angle BDC. Therefore BDC equal to angle ACD. I interchanged the direction. I wrote this angle here and this angle here, and I am marking this relation as 2. 1 plus 2 gives. Relation 1 is angle DBC equals to angle ACB, that is, this angle equals to this angle, and relation 2 is BDC equals to ACD, that is, this angle equals to this angle. Let us add them. DBC plus angle BDC equal to angle ACB plus angle ACD. Now look, angle ACB plus angle ACD means angle ACB plus angle ACD equals to angle BCD. So at the right side we can write angle BCD, that is, angle DBC plus angle BDC equals to angle BCD. I mark this relation as 3. Now from this big triangle BDC we get angle DBC plus angle BDC plus angle BCD equals to 180 degree. From triangle BDC we can write angle DBC, means this angle, plus angle BDC means this angle, and angle BCD means this angle equals to 180 degree. This is nothing but angle sum property. In relation 3, you obtained angle DBC plus angle BDC equal to angle BCD. So instead of sum of these two angles, you can write angle BCD plus angle BCD equal to 180 degree. Using 3, that is 2 into angle BCD equals to 180 degree. Therefore angle BCD equals to 180 degree by 2 results in 90 degree, which implies angle BCD equals to 90 degree. Proved. I think you understood all about the question number 6. No more today. I wish you all the best.